Welcome to our 800 square foot home in Savannah, Georgia. Hi, Apartment Therapy. I'm Kat.
And I'm Chaston.
When we bought this house, it was blue and it was full of rooster paraphernalia and like 12 stray cats. And the kitchen was yellow and had no floor, and the counter space was a cutting board on top of the oven. So we changed a lot. We've kept all the roosters though. No, I'm just kidding.
My dad is a builder, and he said, buddy, I think that we could push this house over. It was leaning drastically to the right, and he's like, I don't think that you should buy this house. But I was like, no, we want this house. We started in the heat of the summer in July in Savannah and renovated for about a year.
I enjoy my home most when I am doing projects on it. I feel very privileged to have a home that I can put work into and invest in.
I would probably say Saturday mornings when we're doing nothing.
Storage solutions in a small house comes down to like everything needs to have multiple uses.
Kat taught me the design term form and function and the balance between those two. And I think what's difficult about that is, we want pieces to look nice, and pieces that are utilitarian and very functional don't always look nice.
I love form only.
Yes. So we deal with that battle.
If you're watching a movie and you like a scene, pause it and take a picture of it. Keep track of things that you see that you're like, oh, I like the colors in this coffee shop. Like, I feel really good in this coffee shop.
And there's a pressure to just go out and buy everything that you can to make it look great.
15 throw pillows.
But the reality is, you can't do that unless you have an endless budget, which we don't.
I build a lot of furniture, so there are a lot of things that I was proud of in and of themselves, but I think the proudest DIY that we've done for the space is our banquet dining booth.
I did not come up with the word banquet when I said I have a brilliant idea. I said,
my boss corrected me.
I was like, we're gonna do a booth. We're gonna build a booth. And she said, that's called a banquet.
We can change that to L-shaped booth.
No, banquet's nice.
Home is a place that is warm for everyone, like people that we bring into our home and that we share life with. We don't want it to be too precious in the sense that we would be heartbroken if our cat peed on it or like clawed it to death.
That's happened this week multiple times.
And that it's as beautiful and put together as makes us happy, and then as like messy as it needs to be while still being healthy.
The main thing that I would say is just take your time and it'll get there. And it's a small space, so it'll get there quicker than other people with bigger spaces.